National AIDS Council yakaona zvakakodzera kutanga kushandidzana nevemajeri mukuedza kuderedza utachiona hwe-HIV uye kuti vasungwa vese vanorarama neutachiona uyu vawana chikafu chakakwana. Mugore ra2015, National AIDS Council yakapa jeri reGwanda Farm Prison mbudzi dzekuti vatange project kuitira kuti vasungwa vanorarama neutachiona hwe-HIV vawane zvinovaka muviri munguva yavanenge vari mujeri. Murwendo rwakarongwa neNational AIDS Council kuenda kuMatebeleland South, takasvika pajeri reGwanda Farm Prison tikaona vasungwa vachifara zvikuru vakatigamuchira kuburikidza nenziyo.
Ngezweni lababulali, ngezweni labadukisi, Baba wangithuma, ngezweni lokuhlupheka, ngizele ngiyavuma, Baba wangithuma, ngizele ngiyavuma, Baba wangithuma,
Takaita rombo rakanaka tikakwanisa kutaura nemukuru wezvekurima pamwe chete nekuchengetwa kwemombe nembudzi paprison apa.
These are females. They maternity ward. Zonke zabe zizele. Ngihlala la. We utilize this house ukwenza ukuthi during winter so reduce some days ethu. So these ones with brown heads and white go alomzimboyi white. Cross boa matebele. Ezinye zankhona ngamatebele. Because once the boa got here. So normally we utilize this housing during the winter. Like lapa we normally have summer kidding, the winter kidding. So currently we house them here. When it's summer, starts to cheese around. Normally receive our kids around October, November day. As you utilize this house just because you have it in Amategate. So services for Disabona, we have other goats there, another group of goats there. Meat and goats, lama bags. So this housing was initiative this housing. It's now old, but this housing. Donated this goats. That's why we say it number 8. It's to get from 83. That was the starting figure. 2015. Don't mind those very challenge. So 2015 in Akiasniga 80 meat and toes with 3 packs. Currently tina in number 8 at 204, and which means it's a lot. On top of that, we have managed to seed. In city we have managed to seed. Farm prisons around a figure of 92 goats, and wherever they are producing very well. You can take a province. As a province, we have 327 votes. It's quite the whole province, including Bedbridge, Case. So that building, just across there, just because the Matebeleland South, tick-borne diseases are name. A good example is hot water. So we have resumed to weekly dipping during the summer. Then it's fortnight, which is twice a month. But we can go up to just once a month. Just because I'm a tick service in less. But during the summer, from August up to December, I'm a tick set up in my name. That's how we do weekly dipping. So I wonder why all these things. They are the inmates. Now we teach them. Until it's zero pan farm city, it's now correctional. So the correctional part of it. Now we teach these people. Imbuzi zisunyiswa njani sase zincane up to sizesikali sokuthengiswa manje babayenza konke babazithi sabe segangeni thina sibe sesilandelela nxa sebephandle ukuthi sibone ukuthi are they really doing whatever we told them. I think I've covered a lot. Okunye with these goats kule nto kuthiwa yi-pop kidney, we do sell these goats to sustain the project. Pop kidney le yabulala especially ongamazinyane. So thina what we do is we sell a certain figure, we buy those vaccines and parasites, which is amadipa landani, so that we sustain this goat project. That's why we're saying it's very successful, because we have tried to reduce our death rate to less than 3%, which is quite reasonable. So by all means, sibonginaki kuti yamanage such a project so that we can feed our inmates and be sustainable as Zimbabwe prisons and correctional cells.
So even Pongo
we do change Mpongo Z. Last time we went as far as Bait Bridge, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was Bait Bridge. Samba setting a cross Wama TV because we spread a Kalahari. So we decided to know maybe resistance now to certain diseases. So let's introduce a new breed. So we got that I think we need other 10 now. Currently we are in plans as Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Service to introduce a new breed again, because this is improve our gene pool. La pasina lo ke sibale imbuzi ezibazinayo ngoba ngabona ukuthi sibreeder mama baba breed batho akathela sokusaba.
Zvatibatsira zvikuru pakuwedzera pane zvanga zviripo zvanga zvakaiswa in place nehurumende. Tese tinobvumirana kuti paunopuwa additional food unokwanisa even kuadjusta meals. Saka in short zvakatibatsira zvakanyanya kuti tiwedzere chikafu kuti vasungwa vadye meals asina kuspecifika, nekuti zvinhu tanga tane provision yezvinhu zvakati wandei. Tatagara tine mombe, tatagara tine nguruve, tatagara tine ma-tech projects, patakazopuwawo mbudzi zvakaedhera pane zvakanga zvaiswa in place nehurumende.
At any given time munenge mune vasungwa vangani uye zvinoda makejes mangani enyama pasvondo kana pazuva kana pabvudzi?
Tingati pa vasungwa wedu isusu, I can't tell you kuti tinenge tine vasungwa vakawanda sei, nekuti namba yevasungwa inochinja on a daily basis. Saka it is very difficult kuti ndikuudzei kuti tinenge tine vasungwa vangani, nekuti ndinogona kuti tinenge tine 10 asi zuva ranhasi kubva kwauya 100. Saka pa mubvunzo wamandibvunza iwoyo handikwanise kuti ndikuudzei kuti tinenge tine vasungwa vangani, sezvo nhamba ichikwanisa kungochinja awari, nekuti kukoti kunoendwa every day. Saka nhamba yaunenge uinayo on a particular day can change up or down. Ko ivo vasungwa zviri kuvabatsira papi pakudzidza mabasa emaoko echengeta kudzi? Zviri kuvabatsira zvikuru. Kune vamwe vakauya kuno kuorganization vasina idea yekuti mbudzi dzinochengetwa sei, and chinhu chiripo chatinonyanya kufara nacho ndechekuti organization yakaisa vanhu vari qualified vanoziva kuti vangadzidzisa vasungwa kuti kuchengeta kwembudzi kubva kari kadiki diki kudzamara yakura zvinomboitwa sei. Saka vasungwa vane advantage yakati kure sezvo vari kudzidziswa nevanhu vanoziva.
Is there some kind of screening for prisoners kuti auye kuno kuzodzidza? Unovachuza sei kuti iwe wechenda unodzidza zve?
Alright. Organization ine mabasa akawanda akasiyana-siyana. Amungango tarisa kuti arimo mune any industry. Saka trades ese aripo vano selecta vanhu ne interest. Kune vanoti isu tinoda zvekuchengetwa kwembudzi nekurima. Kune vamwe vanoti isu toda kuenda kunoita zvecarpentry. Kune vamwe vanoti isusu toda kuenda kunoita zvekupenda. Mabasa ese akasiyana-siyana. Kune vamwe vanoti toda kugadzira mota. Saka ndo method inoshandiswa pakuselecta kuti vanhu vari kunoita zvipi.
Mumwe wevasungwa wepajeri apa akatsanangura zvaakadzidza paprojekti iyi zvinova zvaachanoshandisa achinge abuda mujeri.
Kufudza kurera mbudzi kwandinoita uko kunondibatsira kuti ndane rumwe ruzivo rwandandisingazivi like kana kuti mbudzi dzinofudziwa sei, dzinochera sei, kuti dzite right, dzinoda kutritiwa sei. So zvandanga ndisingazivi but ndava panapa sofa ndakuzviita sei ndakuziva. Plus nikuziva kuti kana mbudzi ikashaya vana mai vayo tinoita sei kuti isevhaivhe irarame. Saka sofa handina hangu zvinhu zvakawanda zvandati ndadi but zvizhinji zvacho ndakuziva zvinhu zvandandisingazivi.
So pane vamwe ndadzwa kuti vanhu vanouya panapa zvinobva nechido chako kuti unoda kudzidza. Ndati mashoko amungaudze vamwe vari kuita nungo dzekudzidza zvamuri kuita pane zvamadzidza kusvika pacho.
Mashoko andingataura ndekuti munhu kana uri munhu unofana kuita zvinhu zvekuti unofana kudzidza basa raunoona kuti iri rinogona kukupa chamangwana chekuita mangwana. Because vachikuvhunza paya vanenge vachiitira kuti vaone kuti side rako iwe raungakwanisa nderi. So zvese zvoda patient handiti mulife kuti ukwanise kuva nemunhu.
Saka basa rekuchengeta mbudzi iri ibasa raunogona kuita here wazobva nezvekuita?
Ya, ndichinge ndabva panapa ndinokwanisa kuzviita nekuti already ndakuzviziva. So ndinokwanisa kuita sezvo kana vana vane maprojekti ezvembudzi aya ndinenge ndakuziva kuti ndinotanga papi ndichiperera papi.
Mune kumusha here kana kuti makabva mutaundi?
Ndobva kumusha.
Kumusha. Saka kana makunotanga tokutengera here mbudzi dzekutanga nadzo kana madzokera?
Yes, I wish kuti munganditengera.
Mukoti wepachipatara cheGwanda Prison Clinic pamwe chete naDistrict AIDS Coordinator DAC vakatsanangura zvakakoshera nyama yembudzi muvanhu vanorarama neutachiona hweHIV.
Njengodistrict AIDS Coordinator sisebenza lama partners achiyeneyo, silama government departments, lama non-governmental organizations, la wonke nje ama-partners aku-HIV and AIDS. Kodwa-ke lapha ku-program ye-Correctional Services sisebenze ndawonye kunhlelo ze-HIV and AIDS, ama-programs ze-HIV and AIDS. Sakhula sifundisana iminyaka isiya saze safika lapho esesinanzelela khona ukuthi kukhona okuqhakathekileyo okungasiphathisa kuma-inmates ethu lapha eGwanda district. So sasesithi ndawonye labe Correctional Services saphuma lokuthi singaphathisana ngembuzi i-goat project le ebesikhuluma ngayo. So ke sathi ngo-2015 ngoJuly sahlanganisa ke njenge-National AIDS Council sayenelisa ukuthi zithenge imbuzi ezingu-83 ezinsikazi lezi ntathu ezinduna. So kusukela khona lapho labo baphathisa bencedisa ukuzikhulisa imbuzi lezi bezelusa usiya ngesikhathi saze siyenelisa futhi ukuthi I think ngo-2016 zase zingezelelekile futhi sezikuwa about 117 usiya sayenelisa futhi ukuthi sizama ukuthi sibayakhele isibaya le deep tank saqhubekela phambili saze safika lapho esiyenelisa khona ukuthi imbuzi lezi zibe kunani elingafika 204 khathesi. So injongo yethu yokuthi sibancedise ngalolu hlobo olwe-GOAT project kungenxa yokuthi besikhangele ukuthi thina ku-HIV and AIDS sebesikhangela le party yokuthi abantu abaphila legciwane babenefite ngoba sikhangelela ukuthi babe lempilakahle banathe kuhle amaphilisi. So asichiyi umuntu phandle sase sibona ukuthi kungcono ukuthi siyenze sincedisane labe correctional services ukuthi i-diet ibe ngcono i-improve ibe ngcono kulokho akade iyikho khona. So kwaba yiyo ke injongo ukuthi siphathisane njalo ku-nutrition sikhangelele ukuthi asikhethi aba-positive laba-negative but siyabe sisazi ukuthi khona phana bakhona aba-positive. Kwathi-ke ngokuya kwesikhathi ngo-2021 kwaba le visitor again lapha sa-identifya futhi amanye ama-gaps labo besincedisa lapho ukuthi hhayi silayo ingadi yethu lapha kodwa siyasilela ngamanzi ukuthi amanzi siyenze okuyi-small irrigation la. So kwaze kwafika esikhathini sokuthi inaki layo yamobilize ama-resources benelisa ukuthenga ujojo le-piping equipment. So yikho libona kulapha siyakubona lokho sokungumsebenzi we-correctional services ndawonye le-National AIDS Council sokundawonye le ndawo leyi nxa besitshengisa lapha bathi sebekhulile sokukhona la ngale sebe-expandile ngenxa yokuthi i-source of water is improved. So yikho ukusebenza esilakho lapha. Sase sisithi futhi silokho sisiya silamanye ama-programs esiwenzayo okuthiwa ngama-models. Yikho lapho esabona khona ukuthi silokho sisiyenza ngapha kuside le project but we need to kodwa kumele ukuthi khona sibe lama-programs ahamba ekhonapho phakathi singabi siyithi esilokho sihamba sisiyabayenzela baziyenzele phakathi. So sase sikhulumisana labo abakhulu abe-correctional services sacela ukuthi sicela abantu ababili ngoba sikhangela ukuthi prison correctional services iyabe iyindawo okumele ukuthi abantu bafunde khona baphume sebengabantu abajinjileyo. Sase sibona ukuthi angake sikwenze lokho thina singekho phakathi thina siphandle. So sase sikhangela imodeli yethu enye sithi i-PLED evumayo ukuthi umuntu oyabe vele ephila labantu khona lapho labo phose suku zonke benelisa ukuthi khona befundisana. So sase sithi 2023 sase sibacela ke sabaphiwa sahamba sayabatrainer asibatrainer ngabe bodwa from lapha e-prison sathatha 2 then abanye babesuka kuma different areas labo like sikhangela ama-key populations sabakhetha ngokuthi laba basuka kuma-key populations laba kuma-key populations lawo baba ngu-10 sahamba sayabatrain ukuthi benelisa ukuthi nxa bebuyela kuma-inmates benelisa ukubafundisa ngehlelo ezitshiyeneyo. Sinanzelela ukuthi abantu abaphakathi laphana bayabe ama-inmates bayabe bebotshelwe okutshiyeneyo. Okunye kwakhona kuyabe kugoqela okunjengama-sexual offenses okunjengabo-GBV, abanye bayabe kade beku-mining sector lapha bayabe benga-accessi kuhle ama-health services. So abanye balakho ukuthi bengena khona phana bangaba belawo ama-STIs bangabe bevele be-infected with HIV. So siyabe sikhangelela ukuthi nxa befika lapha amanesi ethu awe-clinic phakathi laphana lama-mentors ethu sithi ngama-mentors lapha esibatrainileyo besebenza ndawonye kube lula ukuthi ba-screene ngoba kule screening tool esetshenziswayo baba-screene ama-inmates bathole uncedo abalufunayo. So kungaba ngama-services anjengabo-testing laba babe befuna ukutestwa babe sebe aba-identifyile baba-refer abanye babe sebefuna ukuthola i-treatment athi so bangabarefeya sebebarefeya khona phana eclinic. So kusiba lula ukuthi abantu laba bathole ukuncediswa kunhlelo ze-HIV and AIDS. So ngamafitshane nje ngathi yindlela esisebenza ngayo le-prison and correctional services.
Allow me to give you a brief overview of the Gwanda Prison Clinic and our working relationship with NAC. Gwanda Prison Clinic is a small establishment that offers primary health care services to inmates at Gwanda Prison and Gwanda Farm Prison. We also offer services to officers, their dependents, and the surrounding community. The staff establishment of this entails 2 nurses, 1 midwife, and 1 mental health nurse, 1 environmental health technician, and 2 dispensary assistants. The services that we offer, as highlighted in the introduction, Gwanda Prison Clinic offers primary health services which include but not limited to general consultations of patients, HIV/AIDS counseling and testing services, STI screening and management, TB screening, investigations and treatment. We also do nutritional assessments and management of malnutrition to all the clients. We also have peer-led interventions. We have peer groups which conduct peer education. The partners that we work with 2 main partners, that is the Ministry of Health and NAC. So now today I will talk about the partnership that ZPS health sector and NAC have. Having highlighted the services that we offer as Gwanda Prison Clinic, as a primary health care entity, it is important that we delve deeper into the relationship. With global HIV/AIDS epidemic continuing to be one of the most serious health problems facing Zimbabwe, where the prevalence of HIV in people aged 15 to 49 years is 14.9%, we as Gwanda Prison Clinic are not spared, with 12% of our population being on ART. This makes it necessary to have a health cadre who is abreast with current knowledge and skills in HIV management. And for that, we would like to applaud NAC for holding trainings for the health personnel. We are grateful that NAC has trained us on HIV testing, PMTCT, among other trainings. After equipping the health cadre with knowledge and skill, NAC went a step further in supporting HIV/AIDS clients with the GOT project, which provides a good source of lean proteins, which is highly nutritious but low in calories and saturated fats, which predisposes one to heart problems. So in short, goat meat is very healthy. So thank you, NAC. In addition, goat meat supplies vitamin B12 and iron, which are vital to HIV/AIDS clients. Moreover, this goat venture has made it easier for our clients to adhere to their treatment, because if people are hungry, they tend to skip taking medications, citing that they cannot take medications on empty stomachs. And this has been evidenced by the fact that most of our clients have had their viral load suppressed successfully. Again, with support from NAC, we are privileged to be conducting HIV/AIDS campaigns on sensitizations in our prison facilities, with our next being plenty for this coming Sunday. And on this day, we will have HIV counseling sessions, testing, STI screening, TB screening, among other services. And in conclusion, we would like to thank NAC for the services that they are giving us. And we would like to implore them to continue supporting us. Our success is in you, NAC. Tualumba, Tavoka, Reavoka, Siavon. Thank you.